Hi, this is Adrienne, and this is today's 2-minute vocal tip. I'm doing a series of videos right now that focus on singing at home without bothering people. And some of those are even singing on public transportation. So check out that playlist if you want to have a few things you can do on the bus or the train when you get back to work. But this one is one that people will see you doing. It's not a closed mouth exercise, but it can be very quiet and it's very effective. It is great for lightening up your voice when it feels heavy and muddy. I've used this one a lot today because I have a hint of allergies, just enough that my voice feels a little bit heavier than normal, a little bit muddier, a little thicker. So this has been a great one for me today. It's just a 5-note descending slide on the word she. And you want to make sure you say that SH. It's not she, it's she. She. So you're really using the SH to get the air going and then transition seamlessly into that E. We don't want to drop the airflow on the vowel. She, like that. She. Go right on through it. So it sounds like this. She. The idea is to get this thin little thread of sound that's perfectly consistent. Very easy. You don't want to strain for this. So one thing a lot of people will do mistakenly on this exercise is reach up for it with the chest voice. She. And when we get higher, that doesn't work. She. No, you want to think of it kind of like head voice, even though it's really a mix. She. And that's what the SH is going to do for you. It's going to encourage you to be in a lighter coordination with thinner vocal cords meeting each other. So I will start. I'll start about there. All right, guys, you can be an octave down. Here we go. She. Lots of she. Even more than that. She. One more. All right, that is it. You can keep going higher, of course, and you can go lower, of course, but just make sure to keep it feeling like a little thin thread of sound and no strain in your throat. Use that shh to make sure that you've got total freedom. All right, I'll see you in the next one.